Hi everyone, today we are going to see about the cloud storage. While we are creating an instance EC2 T2 micro, it has the one vCPU and 1 GB RAM. This is used to run the OS, application execution, etc. But we can't able to store uh, databases or big applications in this instant space. For that, we need a hard drive space for our server. That is called cloud storage. Hard drive is have two different types. One is hard disk drive, which is older model, and another one is solid state drive. This is a newer one, and hard disk drive or is cheaper, and it is slower in reading and writing. But nowadays we are using the SSD. Newer, it is newer and costlier and faster in reading and writing. It is used for very big uh, and large amount of data, and we won't frequently using of it. That time we can use HDD. We have the moderate amount of storage, and we need to access frequently. That time we need to use the solid state drive. And while we are launching instance, we see here in the dashboard it have the volumes. Actually, cloud storage is also called volume, hard drive, block storage, etc. So, cloud storage is divided into three types: block storage, file storage, and object storage. For the first, we are going to see about block storage. Um, in the cloud, we are having two services for block storage. One is elastic block storage, and another one is instance storage. I'm going to show you while creating instance how uh, we can access for the storage. I'm going to click launch instance, and here I'm going to give some name for my server, Windows Server, and this is Windows. I'm going to click Windows OS. Here, Windows Server 2022 page, and it is T2 micro, and selecting existing keypad and selecting existing security group. So here, configure storage. While we click advanced, here EBS value. So we can add like 42 micro, 30 GB is 30 GB is free. So delete on termination is while we give no means, the volume will stay like will stay only instance will terminated. Where we give S means while we are terminating the instance, so the volume also will be deleted. And EBS is having for all the type of instances. You see, it's a persistent storage, which means we can able to decide the size of the uh, value. But in the instant storage, it is a temporary storage. And it is a predefined storage. We cannot able to change the volume or storage capability. And it is available for all the instance type, and 30 GB for free tier. I'm going to show that. Wait. Here we go instances, sorry, instance type. Yes, these empty hyphens in the storage GB and storage type all having the EBS, and which are all having the storage GB and storage type is IS. So this IS is for particular some of the instance. It is available for some instant type. That is here they defined. This mentioned storage space and storage type are available for instance storage. But EBS is available for all the type of storages. And the maximum storage is 16 TB. Here I'm going to, for the volume 1, if I give 2048, which is 2 TB, first volume is a root volume, and we are able to give only maximum of 2 TB. Total storage is 16 TB, but for the first volume we can able to make the storage to be 2 TB only. More than that, not allowed. If I'm giving 2048, it is win, but 50 means, yeah, window instance do not support root value greater than 2048. It is showing that 2 TB is allowed for first root value. So 30 GB is free. But from the second volume, we can split the 16 TB into more volumes. We can add volume 3, volume 4, like that we can add the storage. And the maximum storage is 16, 3, 4, 8. If I give 50, yeah, this GB3 volume, the largest volume size for GB3 is 16. This is the only calculation. So I can split this by um, 50, and then here by 2048. Like that we can split the storage into these types. And while we are giving the termination of our instance, and giving this, yes, we are asking delete on termination option. Uh, if we give S means it terminate both the instant and volumes also. But we give no means it the volume will stay in the cloud, and only the instance will be deleted. So we can use the and in the dashboard we can see the volume will be here. So we can use this volume into another instance while we are creating the uh, while we are creating new instance. That time we can use this value. That here storage can be moved to other instance, but in this IS we cannot able to move the storage to another other instance. If the instance is terminated, that time the volume also removed. So while when we have to use this EBS and instant storage means EBS is used for large amount of databases, SQL, Oracle, and PostgreSQL. Uh, while big enterprises are running the applications and managing log files and analytic data, that time we can access for the EBS storage. And in iOS, we are used for catches, session data, and temporary data that we don't need again. That type of data we can store in the instant storage. And this is how hardware and DSP look like. And in the in the future sessions, we are going to see the file storage and object storage. This is the end of this topic.